How to change your username on Wattpad app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your username on Wattpad app in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, go to Wattpad. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, and then go to the top corner right here and click on this little gear here. And now all what you have to do is choose the first option right here. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find many options, and here is the username option. Click on it and now change your username. Mark Jacob, for example, this is my username, and click change. Now it's changed successfully. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.